Hey there, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name's Nyla and today I am showing a beautiful 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS. This thing is super duper clean from the interior to the exterior, the trunk, the engine bay, all in perfectly beautiful shape. Just doing a quick little walk around for you so you can really check this car out. All of the chrome is in perfect condition. Beautiful white with the red interior. Let's get a little closer, check out the inside. Not only is this car beautiful on the outside, it's beautiful on the inside, and it sounds pretty mean with the engine running. Just awesome. Got the red and the white. It is a standard 4-speed. Just beautiful. I mean, even the chrome on the seats, the chrome on the dash is just in perfect condition. Look at that. Awesome. Horn works. All right, let's check out the engine bay. Then we'll take it for a spin. Got some thunder under the hood. 409. Sounding super smooth and quiet. And we've got some depth in the back. So good. All right, let's take it for a spin. All right, we're gonna take this 62 down the road here.
This 4-speed manual. Clutch feels real nice.